it feels so stable. That is the thing with this bike. I would say it's very stable, very nimble. You wouldn't think that that goes hand in hand. For example, jet fighters, they're made to be unstable because it allows them to be nimble, right? That goes the same way with the motorbike, considering that you only have 2 points of contact on the road with the 2 tires. And the way Royal Enfield has achieved that balance between nimbleness and just overall straight line stability, it's incredible.